Hi YouTube, my name is Chris, and of course this is my first video. So, I'll be posting videos like Minecraft, some airsoft videos, might be some paintball videos, like one or two, probably not. But, yeah, so, forgot what the hell I was gonna say. Oh yeah, this is my intro video, and it's also gonna be part of an airsoft video. Get to that later. Actually, let's start that right now. This gun I got today. Works really nice. Has pop-up system. The little thingy with the clip. Has I don't know what you call this for safety, but there we go. And yeah, it's a really nice gun. It looks kind of like an AK-74, and there is a stock that I threw somewhere over here, and I forgot where I put it. That makes it look kind of like an AK-47, but maybe I'll show that in a different video. So, got some targets over there. We'll start out on semi. And the sight's fairly easy to use. You just gotta look through that hole. You can see it. So yeah, and the sight's actually pretty damn accurate. Now let's try it in full. That's right. Yeah, this gun is actually pretty cool. So yeah, and if you like the video, or you like Minecraft, or you like airsoft, please sub. I'm gonna be doing some Minecraft Hunger Games. I team up with some people. They're great. There's another fellow YouTuber, we're kind of friends, but I sometimes team up with him with Minecraft. His username is American Trapper, so check out his videos. I think he only currently has one, but yeah, so thank you, and America!